Good morning students. Welcome back to your chemistry lecture. Today also we will see class 10 chemistry chapter number 4 carbon and its compound. So since our last lecture we are seeing the chemical properties of carbon and its compound. So under that chemical reaction we have learned about the combustion process. Yes, combustion is also chemical process, chemical reaction of the carbon and its compound. And what happen in that? In that carbon dioxide and a lot of heat we will get as a product. So here also we will see one oxidation reaction. Yes, so this combustion is also oxidation reaction. I mentioned that, and here today in our today's topic also we are learning the oxidation reaction. So what is the difference in between that? What is the difference in that? We will discuss here. So in combustion process we are using excess of oxygen. We are using excess of oxygen, and due to use of excess of oxygen, the carbon of that carbon from the carbon or carbon compound will burn completely. Yes, here carbon from its compound or simply carbon if we will take, it will burn completely to give carbon dioxide, and the large amount of heat will produce here. Yes, due to complete burning, due to complete combustion process, lot amount of heat will produce here. And here also addition of oxygen takes place and combination of carbon and oxygen takes place here and carbon dioxide form. But in this oxidation reaction, what we are seeing here, what we are going to learn in this topic, what is the difference? In this oxidation we don't need carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide nahi chahiye. What we need? Here we need another type of carbon compound. Another type of carbon compound as a product. प्रोडक्ट में हमको कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड नहीं चाहिए, यहाँ पर हमको क्या चाहिए? स्पेशल न्यू टाइप का कार्बन कंपाउंड चाहिए जिसमें एक ऑक्सीजन एटम एडिशनल है रिएक्टेंट कार्बन कंपाउंड से, एक ऑक्सीजन एटम एडिशनल है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो वी आर यूजिंग दिस ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बन कंपाउंड. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बन कंपाउंड के लिए हम ये ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन यूज करते हैं. तो लेट्स सी, इन दिस वी हैव टू यूज लिमिटेड ऑक्सीजन. व्हाटएवर क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन required for formation of particular product, we have to use only this quantity of oxygen for the reaction. Yes, उतना ही ऑक्सीजन हमको लेना है जितना कि हमको जो प्रोडक्ट चाहिए उसके लिए जरूरी है. कितना भी ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर नहीं चलेगा, जितना जरूरी है इतना ही ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर हमको लेना है फॉर द रिक्वायर्ड प्रोडक्ट. सो एग्जांपल इज हियर ethyl alcohol is reacted with the oxygen. Ethyl alcohol is reacted with the oxygen. Here ethyl alcohol is one of the carbon compound we know, and it is reacted with oxygen, not burnt out. यहाँ पर उसको जलाना नहीं है, only we have reacted here. So what we got ethanoic acid. Here ethyl alcohol and the product we got after oxidation, ethanoic acid. So here we can see in alcohol only one oxygen is present here, only one oxygen atom is present, but in product two oxygen atoms are present. Yes, got? Here in alcohol, ethyl alcohol, one oxygen is present, but in product two oxygen atoms are present. So additional one oxygen is present here in the product. Yes, means oxygen is added, one oxygen atom is added here in the product side, in the product, that is ethanoic acid. But it is not happening it's by its own. ऐसे ही हैपन होगा कि ये रिएक्शन ऐसे ही परफॉर्म होगा क्या? नो, हियर इज नीडेड फॉर द स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन. व्हाट वी नीड फॉर व्हाट हेल्प for this reaction? कुछ तो भी हेल्प करने के लिए कुछ तो भी एजेंट चाहिए. सो हियर ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन इज ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन वी आर सीइंग. Oxidation reaction is takes place, so that what we have to use, oxidizing agent. What we have to use, oxidizing agent. Yes. So here for oxidizing agent we can take strong oxidizing agent we are taking here, which is alkaline KMnO4, that is alkaline potassium dichromate. Alkaline potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4 potassium permanganate. Yes. And another reagent also we can use in option of that is acidic potassium dichromate, Cr2O7. What is the chemical formula of alkaline dichromate and potassium permanganate? I will highlight here. It is potassium permanganate. Yes. And we have to add alkali, means we have to add alkali for making alkaline KMnO4. Yes. Alkaline KMnO4 का मतलब क्या होता है? ये पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट सॉल्यूशन में हमको अल्कली ऐड करना है, लाइक NaOH. NaOH is one of the alkali, we know that very well. So this NaOH diluted we have to add in this KMnO4 solution. Okay, then it will become alkaline KMnO4. Then another reagent we can use, oxidizing agent we can use, that is potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. And this must be in acidic medium. Means acidic potassium dichromate we have to use here. And how we can make it acidic? By adding diluted sulfuric acid in the solution of potassium dichromate, we can make it acidic potassium dichromate. So such type of oxidizing agent we have to use for the performing oxidation reaction in the formation of carbon compound. समझ में आया? तो required carbon compound क्या है यहाँ पर? इथेनोइक एसिड फ्रॉम इथिल अल्कोहल. रिएक्शन कौन सी है? इथिल अल्कोहल से हमको बनाना है इथेनोइक एसिड. तो उसके लिए सुटेबल ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट हमको यहाँ पर लेना है. वो कौन सा है? अल्कलाइन KMnO4 और एसिडिक पोटेशियम डाइक्रोमेट. दोनों में से कौन सा भी एक हम यूज कर सकते हैं एज अ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, बट which is suitable for particular reaction, we have to choose that oxidizing agent. Yes, here these oxidizing agent are suitable here, so that we have used here these oxidizing agent. But so again I will repeat, it is combustion reaction, it is also oxidation reaction, but it is having a different type of product, and it is completely burning process. Here the carbon atoms totally burn out to give carbon dioxide and a lot of heat energy. Here excess of oxygen is used. Yes, and in this oxidation reaction, special type of oxidation reaction, what is the difference here? In this we are using this oxidation reaction in formation of carbon compound. यहाँ पर हमको ये ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन पर्टिकुलर टाइप के कार्बन कंपाउंड के फॉर्मेशन में यूज करना है. एंड फॉर दिस वी हैव टू यूज लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. एंड हाउ वी कैन यूज दिस लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन? बाय ऑक्सीजन तो यहाँ पर रिएक्ट करना ही है, बट हाउ कैन वी मॉडरेट द यूज ऑफ ऑक्सीजन? हाउ कैन वी मॉडरेट दैट यूज ऑफ ऑक्सीजन? मतलब ऑक्सीजन को लिमिट कैसी देनी है, मतलब उसको लिमिटेड कैसे करना है, कंट्रोल कैसे करना है ऑक्सीजन के यूज को? बाय एडिंग द सुटेबल ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. ये जो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है वो क्या काम करता है? ऑक्सीजन तो जनरली हमको नॉर्मली जैसे यहाँ पर देते वैसे भी यहाँ पर प्रोवाइड करना है, बट वो जो यहाँ पर ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस में ऑक्सीजन का जो यूज होता है वो यूज को लिमिट में लाना है, कंट्रोल करना है। तो ये कंट्रोल करने का काम ये सुटेबल ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट करता है। यस, सो ड्यू टू दिस ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, सुटेबल ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, only we can get the required product. Yes, so here from ethyl alcohol we got ethanoic acid by using this oxidizing agent. So another thing we will discuss here related to this topic. Yes, got? Here there are many types of oxidizing agent. Some are strong oxidizing agent, some are weak oxidizing agent. Yes, so one thing I will discuss here. We are having alkane. Yes, alkane. It is a basic carbon compound. We are seen in a functional group. Yes. Then alkane, alkyne, alkene, all that things are we can take here. Yes. From alkane, the next functional group is alcohol. That is RH. Here ROH. Yes. Then alcohol, then aldehyde. Aldehyde. Yes. Or ketone. So here RCHO or RCOR. This is the aldehyde or ketone. Then the next next functional group is RCOOH. Yes, that is acid. That is acid group. Yes, here acid group I have to write here. Acid group. It is written as CrCOOH. So what you are observing here? What you are observing? From alkane we can convert alcohol. From alcohol we can convert it into aldehyde or ketone. From aldehyde we can convert it into acidic carbon compound. Yes, it is the steps. These are the steps to convert. Yes, but for this oxidation process are necessary. For this oxidation process are necessary. If we use strong oxidizing agent, then directly from alkane we can prepare acid. Yes, otherwise when we use weak oxidizing agent, what will happen? Oxidizing agent यदि weak है तो वो ऑक्सीजन को कंट्रोल करेगा क्या? ज्यादा नहीं. जो स्ट्रॉन्ग है वही ज्यादा कंट्रोल करेगा. जो वीक ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है वो यदि यूज किया यहाँ पर तो अल्केन से सिर्फ अल्कोहल बन सकता है, और थोड़ा मॉडरेट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट यूज किया तो अल्केन से अल्डेहाइड प्रिपेयर हो सकता है. यस, but if we are using the strong oxidizing agent, directly we can convert from alcohol to acid also, from alkane to acid also. Okay, so all these formation of carbon compound is depend, all these oxidation reactions are depend, and the products are depend on the oxidizing agent what we are using. H2SO4 or HNO3, these are also oxidizing agent, but these are weak oxidizing agent. These are weak oxidizing agent. And alkaline potassium permanganate, as I mentioned now, and acidic potassium dichromate. These are the strong oxidizing agent. This can convert from alcohol to acid. Just now we have seen the reaction. Ethyl alcohol get converted into directly acid. Yes. So aldehyde is skipped here. From alcohol we got acid because we have used here strong oxidizing agent. That is very important thing. You will learn in detail these things in your 11th standard, 12th standard. Okay. So I hope you understood that. Thank you.